Here we have the National Cycle fitted on a Harley Davidson fat bob. This is the deflector screen. As you can see, quick release clamps securely clamped around the bar. To remove the screen, simply undo these knobs. As you can see, pretty secure. The whole screen is then removable, off in under a minute. Okay, telescopic rods, as you can see here. Simply undo this. This will go in and out. Okay, to adjust the angle, in other words, if you want it more sloping back, these ones here, and the whole screen will obviously adjust. Quite an aggressive little screen, fits pretty well. Okay, so that is a National Cycle deflector screen fitting on a late fat bob. Thank you.